in search of the Hoover Dam. A room was not what it was supposed to be. Third exit. Okay, third exit. So that would be one exit, two exit. In other words, take a left. And this would be the third one.
Exit the traffic circle onto Nevada 172, then turn right onto Nevada 172.
What the?
Turn right onto Nevada 172, Hoover Dam access road.
Keep going.
All right, thank you.
Take a right. Right here.
Take a right. You pointed left and said take a right.
Right here.
Continue on Hoover Dam
Go
access
right.
road for
There
3
we go.
miles.
Just follow the sign.
All right, well, I was going to do that, but I was also listening to you. All right, here we go. Maybe you guys can get a shot of it down in there. I'm just going to leave the camera running. We'll high speed it or whatever we need be. Pretty rocks. Don't use no potty mouth now. We're recording. I know how you talk like a sailor. Popeye. This is what you're going to see, guys, coming down to Hoover Dam. If you don't know nothing about Hoover Dam, man, they got all kinds of stories on Netflix, YouTube, you name it. You can pull up a lot of information on this dam. There it is over there. You can see it across there, but if it wasn't for that rock. I don't think you can, I don't know if you can drive across it anymore or not. For a while they wouldn't let nobody do it because they was afraid somebody's going to blow it up, you know, like they did up there in New York. Well, this is going to be on another video from the others. So, I'll put a green screen and describe a little bit of this. You've already seen that part. That's what I'll do in between the videos. Alrighty. I like the way you were pointing to the left and telling me to go to the right. Thank you, dear. What do we got going on here?
In 1.3 miles, you're going to turn left.
What is this person doing? Cars only. Commercial trucks not allowed. Alrighty. Probably got to pay, I guess.
I have no cash.
I got cash. Autos. Semi-trailers. Let that be a lesson to me. Don't bring no firearms on government property. You guys hear that? Yes, sir. I didn't lie. You asked me if I got one. I said, yeah, I got a gun. He says, well, don't take it out of the car. He looked at me like, oh, is that where I should have parked?
If you want to go up on the bridge, do you want to walk up all those stairs?
I want to see it.
There's a lot.
Well, maybe we can come back, turn in there. Yeah, I think we can come back and turn in there. Yeah, I can make it. Hoover Dam. Don't want that. Oh yeah. You guys seeing that? Oh, I wonder if I can park right there. They did.
Yeah,
That'd be a
they're
good
on the
shot.
other side of the road.
Well, we got to come back. We got to come back. I'm just gonna let this run. I think these guys will find this interesting. Oh yeah.
This is cool.
Oops, probably turned that too much. Oh, we're still getting it. We're still getting everything.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that, guys. Isn't that cool? Should have the video out, and you should be taking the video, dear. But
In 600 feet, turn
Stop
left.
on red. Oh, it's yellow. Okay. I thought, is it gonna go red?
that's why I got my co-pilot. I want to see that side.
Turn left, then you will arrive at your destination.
What's that say there? Parking levels. I want to go this way. I think that you can go in there and it'll tell you all about it. Pretty cool. Okay. Start filming shit. You remember how? Got it upside down for one thing. There you go. Go ahead and hit it and just hold it out the window.
I can't really see anything.
That's okay. Yeah, last time we was here it was closed. You couldn't get down here, remember? Sunlight, huh?
Yeah.
I think that's where we parked last time we came down on that side. Okay, Vicki. Here you go. Double cameras, guys. Double cameras. Only for you guys. Only for you guys. I don't know if you can see anything. We're down kind of in the wall because they don't want people blowing the place up. So we're going to find a parking spot up here. And maybe not. $10 to park?
Yep.
Can't be right.
Trailers, RVs permitted. Yep. Parking attendant.
Why can't we park right there? Looks like free to me. Free. Oh yeah, we can park right there for free. That's all I want to see.
Okay.
We're out there, I think. Shut her off and I want to get her parked. Get her parked. That's what I want to look at, is right there. We can get both sides. I think we can. We'll go check it out. Oh my. Hey guys, I'm gonna put you on my new selfie stick here, and then we're gonna look around here. Man, this is beautiful. Vicki's getting some good pictures, I think. I'm going to try to get some reflection pictures here for you guys. So I'm going to turn this around now, and then you can look at that. Right down here, let's look at it. Well, there's part of it you've seen. The sun's right there, so sorry, can't move the sun. But I want you to look at this. Remember we stopped at what dam out of Yellowstone? I forget the name of it now. Forget the name of it now. But look how low this is. Guys, that's supposed to be way up there. This is not good.
Thank you.
Not good. Vicki, go over there and stand on the edge of that rock right
No.
there. Come on.
What YouTube channel?
Nope.
I'll give you a card in a
pedestrians.
minute.
Alright.
Oh, the truck was honking at him.
It's amazing how low that is. They're going to run out of water in Vegas if they don't figure something else.
I can't imagine the water being that high.
Oh, yeah. Back when I built this dam.
Well, that looks cool with the reflection.
Yeah, you can get some good
The
pictures
water.
there. Oh, man, that is beautiful, isn't it? Hold still, get the reflection there. Okay, right here, I'm going to put on Vicki's photos. You know they're way better than mine. She's just that kind of girl. Hey, aren't you that kind of girl? Beautiful here. But that water, that's supposed to be up to them towers. Up to the top. It is not. And this is the high side of the dam. If we can, we'll go over there and we'll get some pictures of the other side. They close real soon, within the hour, 45 minutes, 40 minutes by now. But, okay. So, okay, there we turned it around.
Look how low that is. Man.
That is low. I wonder if we could get over there. Maybe we can get a picture from over there on the other side and get down, look down through here. It's amazing. You can't explain to these people just how low that really is. I mean, there's a car on top of the dam. See how little the car is. Look how many cars you could fit into that. I don't know how far that is. That's a long ways. Well, them windows are probably a story each. Feel sorry for you, Vegas. I wouldn't want to buy a property in Vegas. I wouldn't want to own property in Vegas. I'd like to win some money in Vegas. Well, that's just beautiful. Did you get a picture right here?
I think it did.
Can't wait to see your photos, dear. Oh, hey, sun went down. Now you can see the bridge. Now you can see it. Yeah, there we go. Ready to go back? I mistakenly thought that this was on 4K. It is not on 4K, guys. See, that's supposed to be underwater. That's pretty devastating, guys. Pretty devastating. Well, let's go see if we can get on a park on the other side somewhere. There we go. All right, now we're in it. Now we're together. Come on, be with me. Walk with me. What do you think? Are you impressed with that thing?
Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah, that's cool.
Not much, huh? You're that excited, huh? That's cool.
That's cool.
That's cool. All right, guys, we're gonna stick you back in the car. I don't think we'll film anymore because the light's not gonna be right with the GoPro in there. But we're gonna try to stop and get some film on the other ones. Hang in here. Well, we couldn't find a place to pull off anywhere to take any more photos than that. And that's quite a bit right there, 15 minutes or so. I hope you got an idea of what it looks like. We got there late in the day. The sun was on the wrong angle, as you can see. Now, tomorrow's video, or the next day, whenever, the next video is going to be about, we're going to stop in Quartzsite. Hope you enjoy that one too. Thanks for viewing this one. Hang in here. Subscribe. Don't miss nothing. It's going to be exciting.